Hey, friends, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to Profitabull.com. Today we will be discussing how to make money using the new social media kid called TikTok. We all know that TikTok engagement has a more success rate than any other social site. But to achieve results in a little time, we need to generate massive and consistent content or videos. We recently stumbled upon an autopilot tool that helps you get heaps of unique content posted to your accounts based on your niche, which will naturally gain loads of followers, likes, shares over time, and eyeballs to your offers and products. It is a desktop PC-based tool that does not require you to create videos, nor edit them, nor post it one by one to your account, and does not even require you to use your phone to upload your videos to TikTok. It is a total hands-off income-generating machine which can help you replicate your results any number of times. The deluxe edition of this tool also helps you to replicate your success to other social sites like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium and Reddit. Just go ahead and grab this tool at profitabull.com/talk-pc while it is still in stock and the market becomes saturated. Now, sit back and relax while this tool does its job. If you found our video helpful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching it. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Take care.